Okay, let's see what we can do with this one. I'm going to leave it at 100, stuff it. We'll give it a background colour, but the background colour will be for the non-image areas. Or actually, I can't do that. There's no non-image areas. It's going to be all, forget about it. I'm not using background colour. That's silly. Unless we make it into a negative positive reverse. Then, we'll see how it goes. See how it goes. Going to warm it up a bit. Add some red. Okay, and now going to leave the colour balance out, and we're just going to give it a background colour. So it should be one of the colours that was in the original. So we're going to blue or cyan. Going blue for a change. Let's see what we've got. We've got here, it says a spring fling. This is to do with a Macquarie University. So yeah, it's some kind of pub or bar thing. Anyway, it's not my cup of tea. I'm not interested in going to pubs as a general rule. But you can get some nice bistro food, however, but I'm not into drinking. I don't drink at all. I'm not, fuck, I screwed this one up. I'm not going to bother with this one. This one's shit. I know it's shit, so we're going to start again. Glass isn't as slippery as I'd like it to be, but let's see how we go. We can make this another go. Yeah, I don't drink. I'm not into alcohol. There's nothing wrong with drinking alcohol in moderation, but it's not my thing. And my future husband Luigi too isn't into drinking, so that makes the two of us. And it's going to be nice being able to go out. I don't like drinking. I just don't trust people with how they control themselves. But this has come up really well. This is better than I thought. I think we can make this into a 4-way mirror image. This looks brilliant. Okay, so we can just discard this, and we're now just going to put this as a mirror image. So we're just going to just put it on the glass like so. Whoops, we're just going to put that. That's come up a treat. I wasn't expecting it to come up this good. I was expecting whatever. Even without the background colour, it still would have looked quite nice, I think. But I think the background colour adds to it. So now we're just going to switch off. And we're going to go here. We're going to go and add some contrast. We're going to now use the copy density instead of the brightness. And we lose all our functions here. This one can be reset to 0. And the colour balance, even the black can go dark. So let's see how this is going to look. Okay, let's see how this has come out. Whoa, that's really psychedelic. Wow, look at that. The colours are even better than the original, but the original is pretty good. So let's see. Oh, the original's excellent. So let's see if we can print off another. Okay, we're going to put it. Got to put it this way. Sorry about the sunlight. The sunlight's in the way again. as it often is. Haven't had too much problem with the sunlight shining through my window today for some reason. So that's our two normal images, or normal orientated. We're going to orientate them next, if that's the right term. Maybe it's the wrong term. I'm going to put them in mirror image to finish off the job. Oh, fuck. This user interface is shit. Konica Minolta, let you know, I fucking hate your interface. The old C353, which had a tab system instead of a fucking so-called mobile phone simulation, well, it's basically better. This is shit. Shit, fucking shit, Konica Minolta. And your fucking squeaking scanner gives me the shits too. So fuck off. Anyway, let's see if we can get this looking good. So these are our mirrors. So there they are. So we're just going to line them up. There's still a bit of curling on the paper, even though it's not as heavy as some images, but it's still pretty heavy. At least colour-wise it is. So we're just going to try to line them up nicely as possible, despite this stupid problem with curling. So we're just going to line them up. Anyway, sorry about the curling. Otherwise, this is a primo demo in my mind. Gotta go.